Hi, guys and girls, husbands and wives, especially the wives. Why is your husband not interested in you? Or your partner or your boyfriend? He used to be so much interested in you, he used to give a lot of value to you, and now he's not interested anymore. There are reasons to that. First of all, the first reason is that he is interested in something, suppose in a style or in a fashion. And in first days, the people used to have televisions in their homes. And for a television, you have to sit in a proper place and you have to spare some time for that to watch it. And nowadays we have cell phones in our pockets, so we can watch anything we want. And there are a lot of things that are trending nowadays, especially if we talk about the fashion and the men sees the fashion in women. For example, he's fond of a certain style of the hairstyle, or the dress, the fashion that some people do in their dresses. I'm talking about the ladies that they do fashion stuff to their dresses, to their hair, or to their face, or to their eyebrows, or to their eyes, like the makeup stuff I'm talking about. And you know that he's interested in a certain fashion, and he watches these videos, so he keeps that thing in his mind that this is the ideal hairstyle or the fashion that I want. And if he told you that he is interested into this thing, then the reason that not interested in you anymore, because he has mentioned that and you are not doing that. So please do that. Adopt the hairstyle that he wants. Adopt the dress, the style, the dressings that he wants. He certainly, when he comes home from the job or from the work or anything that he do, he will notice you. Certainly he will notice you. He will say that, yes, I do have a wife or a partner or my half life, my half body part. Because a wife or a partner is, your half you. He will notice you. Certainly he will notice you. The second point that he has, lost interest in you is that when he comes home from the work, from the job he does, be polite to him. Ask him that, make cup of coffee for you, or should I bring you some water? Or bring him water, bring him coffee before he asks you, because he's so tired. And he wants somebody there to ask him these. Like, he will not tell you that, but he is certainly, definitely, he is expecting this thing from you. So ask him. Ask him nicely, peacefully, not in an like arguable manner, but nicely. Point number 3. He wants relaxation. So ask him if he wants some body massage or hair massage, or he wants some, physical therapy. If he's so tired, don't ask him, just do it. And he will understand you. He will notice you. He will say that, yes, there is somebody who is taking care of me. Seriously. This is the trick that will make him notice you, that will make him give value to you. Fourth point, that is the most important one. And believe me, I'm a man, so I know what I'm talking about. That he wants somebody to ask him or to tell him that everything is going to be okay. Everything is going to be fine. And the person that he is mostly expecting it from is you, the partner, his partner. So if he's worried or he's feeling, that you see him and you see him worried, tell him that it's going to be fine. Don't ask him what is wrong, or you can ask him what is wrong, but in a peaceful and in a relaxed manner. What is wrong? Like, not like this. What is wrong with you? No. Like, is anything wrong? Or is it okay? Is everything okay? And tell him without explain. If he doesn't explain to you and he say it's nothing, tell him everything is going to be fine. Believe me, a man is searching for a person in his whole life that whenever is somebody asking me that everything is going to be fine, and you don't know, you cannot know that what is going on inside his head, because he has to take care of you. He has to take care of his children if you have. He has to take care of the loans of his house and of his job, the work, everything. So there is a lot of burden on his mind. The thing that he wants from the people, from anybody, to tell him that it is going to be fine. You are going to be fine. It's not to worry about. Don't worry. And that's it. You'll be relaxed. So the next day, he comes to his home. He will definitely think that there is somebody who is taking care of me. And believe me, if you have done the hairstyle that he wants, the dress that he wants, and you ask him that what is wrong, or you make him relax, he's not going to look to somebody else. He will not ever look to anybody else. Because whenever he sees somebody, some lady, female, he will look at her, but he will think that no, there is someone who is waiting for me in my home. There is somebody who is taking care of me, so I'm not going to leave her. Believe me, he won't even look at them. And even if he's watching videos on his cell phone, he will just watch them and he will just scroll it down. Like he will think that I do have somebody who is taking care of me. And he's yours. He's not going to run away from you. He's not going to go anywhere from you. And he will be yours. So these are the secrets that men usually do not say to their wives or to their partners, but they feel it in here. And if you are taking care of these things, he's yours. He's not going to go anywhere, but he will come back to you. Just take care of him. Just know his feelings. Just understand him much better than you usually do understand. So I hope that if ladies or wives are listening to me, they will keep these things in their minds, and it will show a lot of good effect on your life and your marriage or your relationship. Take care of yourself. Bye.